Kitchen. Today we will be making taco samosas. So our ingredients will be sour cream, guacamole, 1 packet of 8-ounce cream cheese, salsa, it could be any kind, hot or mild, green chilies, taco seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and any kind of shredded cheese that you prefer. And this is our glue, which is just flour and water. And you need some oil, large tortillas, and at least 2 pounds of ground meat. All right, let's start with our first step. All right, guys, step 1 is to put our ground beef in our skillet. We're gonna cook it until it's brown. Now we're gonna add our seasonings. While it's cooking, we're gonna add our taco seasoning, any taco seasoning you prefer. And then our black pepper, our onion powder, and our garlic powder. And once the meat is brown and cooked with the seasoning, if you want to add a little more taco seasoning, you can. Now while the meat is cooking, we're going to put our oil on medium high so it can heat up while we're cooking our meat. Alright guys, here is the finished meat. Everything's mixed in. We're going to put it on low while we go ahead and make our tortilla glue. So we're going to take a tortilla, or you can grab a bunch at a time, and you're just going to basically cut it in half. Now this is the glue. It's only flour and water, and you just mix it together. So for the tortillas, you're gonna fold it like a triangle. Make sure the end goes up here. And then we wanna put glue on the other edge. So let me get my glove. Okay, we're gonna get the glue. It looks just like glue. We're just gonna put it on the side. You don't want to put too much and you don't want to put too little. You want it to actually stick. Okay, then we're going to fold it over. That way this edge is all the way over on this edge. Then you want to pat it down. And we move it to our plate for it to dry. These are my other pre-made ones. Now we're going to do the second one. All right, and the next step, once those are dry, it probably takes about 2 minutes. We're going to add our taco meat into our tortillas. All right, guys, so this is our tortillas. It's gonna open up like this, so there's a big opening. So what we're going to do is we're gonna take a scoop full. We're gonna stuff it into our tortilla shells. Now you wanna leave a little room at the top so we can glue our tortillas shut. So just like that. See how it's not all the way full, but still a lot? Now we're going to get our glue. Bring this over here. And we're going to do it on the edges. Now you want to put just a little bit more than what you did the first time. And then we're going to shut it. Now we're going to use a fork to make that crust look. Okay, I'm gonna place these on the plate. Now we're gonna just keep it moving with the rest of our tortillas. All right guys, now that we're done making our taco samosas, we're going to fry them in our oil. Now you want to do your oil about maybe 1/3 of your pan if you do a saucepan like this. But let's go ahead and put these in. Now when you fry these, you want to fry them until each side is golden brown, which is normally about 5 to 7 minutes. Now in about 3 minutes, you're going to flip these. they look like this. This is how you want your tortillas to look like. Now we can take them out. You want to make sure you shake all the grease off of them. All right, guys. Next, we're going to put our toppings on it and eat them. All right, guys. Here is our taco samosas. Now, if you want to add sour cream, salsa, and guacamole, you can, or whatever kind of dipping sauces you prefer, or even extra cheese. All right, guys. Well, the ingredients and the measurements will be down below in the description. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Thank you.